Well, good morning from a very cool and very windy morning at Windvale Dam. I've just returned from a month overseas in Europe. Had a few days to recover and I thought I just need to get out and have a fish. So here I am. Not the best conditions. I probably wouldn't have come on a day like this, but withdrawal symptoms, you know how it is. Doug's just got back from New Zealand, he's recovering, and we'll probably have a fish together next week if the weather's any good. So we'll give it a try, see how we go. A couple of hours. If I get tired of it, I'll go home. Anyway, I'm going to fish a light paternoster out near the snags with worms. I'm going to fish a feeder out wider there with worms, and let's see how we go. That's the paternoster in. The feeder I'll go a bit wider. We'll try worms for starters. If it doesn't do any good, I've got bread and corn. Yes, very windy today, very windy. Okay. The waiting game begins. At least I've got a semi-sheltered position here. It's supposed to be 25 degrees today. I wish 24 of them would hurry up. I think that was a bite. Maybe not. Right, better hit the feeder. Had a couple of little bumps and I thought, wondering whether it was something I don't really want to catch, but no, it's a fish. Small carp. He's in. Well, I'm on the board. Good to get something, because I tell you what, it is cold. Let's hope it's not the only one. Have a bit of a touch on this one. There's something there. I hope it's not one of those. Well, it had another go. I struck and missed it, but I have a nasty feeling it was one of those hard back things that I really don't want to catch. It's back. Very, very touchy. What is it? Definitely something there. Yes, I think I know what it is. Almost put money on it. You bugger. That's probably what I had before, a long neck. At least he'll be an easy out. My first one of the season. I'd like to hope it will be my last, but somehow I doubt it. Go away, go away, go away. Good hit on the feeder. Not a big fish though. About the same as the last one. That's two, but not a lot of size to them. Another one. This was on the Paternoster in close. It's a cat. Haven't seen a cat for a while. Not a bad one either. Nice caddy. That's three, certainly better than expected. And it's not even 10:30 or 11:30, Doug. What's going on? Well, I've had a couple of little touches that haven't come to anything, but at least the wind's calmed down a bit. And it's actually starting to warm up. It was freezing earlier on. Bit of a touch. Line just tightened up. Good bite. Another carp. All about the same size today. Yep. Another carp. A little bit smaller than the others. Whoa, what a hit! This is a good fish. I just about pulled the rod out of the holder and gave me a heart attack. What a smack that was. Well, it's not as big as I thought it was. What a fight. Solid. Nice. Right, that'll do me. I've had a good session, 5 carp and a catfish. Can't complain. Conditions less than ideal, but there we go. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one with Doug.